हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू शी कोड। सो आज हम कोई क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं करने वाले हैं, ओके। बट एक्चुअली रिसेंटली आई गॉट दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू अटेंड दिस इवेंट, गूगल क्लाउड कम्युनिटी डे 2024, ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय गूगल क्लाउड इंदौर एंड गूगल डेवलपर ग्रुप्स। सो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना उस इवेंट की कुछ इंसाइट्स मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूँ। सो इट्स बेसिकली अ व्लॉग टाइप वीडियो, ओके। So let's get started. So Google Cloud Community Day एक्चुअली एनुअल इवेंट है जो हर साल बहुत सारी सिटीज़ में ऑर्गेनाइज किया जाता है। गूगल डेवलपर ग्रुप्स और गूगल क्लाउड कम्युनिटी ये ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं और दिस ब्रिंग्स टुगेदर ऑल द टेक एंथुजियास्ट एंड डेवलपर्स, IT प्रोफेशनल्स who are just interested in technology related to cloud, Google Cloud, okay। तो बहुत अच्छे experts आते हैं who give sessions on various upcoming new technologies and how you can use Google Cloud to implement. Like for example, हमारे जो ये event था वहाँ पर they talked about how you can implement an AI app using Google Cloud, okay, generative AI, how it's changing and एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा। सो बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी जो मैं आई ट्राई टू कवर इन दिस वीडियो वट एवर आई लर्न देयर बिकॉज इट वॉज अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर एवरी टेक एंथुजियास्ट, ओके। सो दिस वॉज अ वेन्यू और हम लोग सबसे पहले पहुँचे थे। तो इवेंट 9 बजे का था, 9 बजे से लाइक everything was supposed to start और हम लोग 8:30 अराउंड पहुंच गए थे। सो वी वेटेड देयर, वी गॉट सम पिक्चर्स क्लिक्ड एंड देन थोड़ी देर बाद हमारा एंट्री हो गया था। सो पहले रजिस्ट्रेशन होता है, यू आर सपोज टू शो योर एंट्री टिकट जो आपके मेल पे आता है व्हेन यू डू द रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर द इवेंट। देन वी एंटर्ड द हॉल। सो वहाँ पर ही एक फ़ोटो बूथ था, तो वी गॉट सम पिक्चर्स क्लिक्ड ओवर देयर एज वेल एंड देन वी एंटर्ड द सेमिनार हॉल जहाँ पे पूरा इवेंट दिन भर का हो। उसके बाद वी गॉट लाइक जो बिंगो कार्ड हमें मिला था दैट वाज अ पार्ट ऑफ नेटवर्किंग सेशन विच वॉज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय द कम्युनिटी फॉर दैट डे। तो वो बिंगो कार्ड में एक्चुअली जो जैसे कि पिक्चर में दिख रहा है, दिस बिंगो कार्ड हैज़ ब्लॉक्स और हर ब्लॉक में एक ट्रेट लिखा हुआ है। सो यू आर सपोज टू मीट पीपल एंड मैच करवाना था कि उनके कौन सा ट्रेट इसमें मैच कर रहा है एंड यू आर सपोज टू राइट देयर सोशल मीडिया हैंडल वेदर इट्स लिंक्डइन, ट्विटर, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा। सो बहुत अच्छा सेशन था, वी रियली एन्जॉयड एंड वी वर सो बिजी इन दैट सेशन दैट हम कोई क्लिप लेना ही भूल गए। उसके बाद सेशन स्टार्ट हो गया था। Our first speaker, the keynote speaker, was Mr. Arun Teja sir. So he's a developer community manager at Google Developers Group. So he started with how AI increases the productivity of a developer. Then he gave a brief on some Google AI developer assistants such as Gemini Advanced, Gemini API, and his favorite Gemini Code Assist. So after giving brief on Code Assist and its some mind-blowing features, he explained IDX. So IDX is actually an AI-assisted workspace which has everything under one roof. It contains all the libraries and frameworks and can much easily integrate with cloud. So it was much about him. So our second speaker was Mr. Prashanth Subrahmanyam. He is the developer advocate at Google and head of cloud developer advocacy. His topic for session was Gen AI on Google Cloud, like how you can create a generative AI app using Google Cloud. Okay, so he started with some trending use cases in AI such as text content, art and design, and code completion and debugging. Okay, then he explained how we can create a generative AI app using Google Cloud. So he managed to include all the steps from scratch, such as discovering the model, deploying it, and then writing the code, and connecting it with AI, like connecting our AI application with real-time information, where he used the term RAG. So then like his session was very informative and he managed to show us the demo side by side. So I really loved his session. Our third expert speaker was Miss Abirami Sukuraman ma'am. She's a developer advocate at Google, having 16 plus years of experience in application development. And the topic for her session was building agentic application for real world data. So she started with explaining what are agentic applications and how you can use databases and LLMs together to create a Gen AI app. Interesting, right? Then the most amazing and interesting part for me from her session was that she created, she showed the whole demo where she created an e-commerce application, and inside which was a feature of chat assistant. Okay, and this whole project was created using SQL queries, where she used that Stone Age thing called SQL queries and connected with it LLM and that chatbot assistance. That was very interesting part, so I loved it. So our fourth speaker was Mr. Ayush Shekhar. He's a solution architect and a Google developer expert. He created the most eye-catchy slides, which I loved. Then his topic for discussion was running data-driven journey, where he gave insights on what is data-driven journey and how an application should be from an user's perspective. He said one more thing, which is tech is not the business, but tech enables the business. So which broadened my idea and perspective for tech. Then he explained how you should identify your users, like आपका जो application आप बना रहे हो, you should know who is gonna use that application. Then he moved to audience segmentation, where he gave some insights about dynamic user segmentation and how you should provide tailored experience to make a personalized app. Then he explained about component, its parameters, its states. So it was pretty much about his session. Then lunch break हो गया. So हम लोग lunch करने चले गए थे and we were so hungry कि we forgot to get some clips to show you guys. But the lunch was really good and we were so hungry that we really related with Joey over here.
I'm starving. It's a buffet, man. Oh, here's where I win all my money back.
So our fifth speaker was Mr. Abhinav Singh. He's the co-founder of Callchimp AI and a Google developer expert in ML and GCP. So his topic for session was the rise of serverless AI agents. So again, he started with agents, Firebase, Jenkins. He explained it in detail and then he showed a demo where he created this joke application using Python and maybe he deployed it on Kubernetes. So he showed the whole demo how that application works and what are the results, how it is processing behind, and how that whole application from like running state to final state is running. So it was very interesting. So the last session was a combined session from Namrata ma'am and Amey Nerker sir. So the topic from this session was revolutionizing fintech with Google Cloud, where they explained what is device tokenization and what is anti-money laundering. Then they explained about how voice-based UPI payments, like how we can implement those with Google Cloud, where we can use speech recognition and NLP. That was a quite interesting part over there. Then they explained about Swift on Google Cloud, like leveraging Google Cloud's infrastructure and services to support Swift, which is Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication Messaging, enabling a very secure and efficient cross-border payments. So it was pretty much about their session. आफ्टर ऑल द सेशंस, सारे सेशन हो गए थे तो इवेंट पूरा वाइंड अप हो गया था. देन वी हैड कॉफ़ी, टी, लाइक जो भी जिसको पसंद है, एंड वी ऑल्सो गॉट सम केक ओवर देयर and we received our swag. So this is what we got for our swags, and this was about the event. So if you liked it, if you have some questions, so comment down your questions and do like the video, subscribe, She Codes. Thank you.